Banks around the country, especially big banks that are in position to do so, are making big changes to their underwriting to reach a broader market of individuals and small businesses. And if you do this one thing right, you can literally open the door to a ton of funding for yourself to help support the growth or the launch of your business. So pay close attention to this. Banks are going through a big shift when it comes to how they're dealing with their lending and the clientele that they're trying to reach. I believe the economy coming forward after the Federal Reserve starts to cut rates back is going to be a hot one. I think banks see that coming as well. And they're also trying to modernize around the dependency on credit scores and FICO scores. Banks are trying to find ways to reach a broader market of people because the demographics in this country is changing a lot. And a lot of people don't have the most polished FICO scores or even credit scoreable at all. So banks are using alternative data a lot. They're also leaning in on relationship banking. The number one thing that is already prevalent in underwriting, but is starting to carry more weight or can compensate for a not so good credit score or maybe not even really being scoreable, it's still allowing you to get access to funding personally or for your business. It's going to be verifiable income. I can tell you right now, if you don't have the best credit score or any credit score at all, you're going to have to provide more documentation. That having been said, they're going to be looking for financial statements, tax returns, possibly pay stubs, bank statements. Your ability to show quality, verifiable income is going to be game changing. This is a dire warning because this is being put out a little before tax season. This is the most pivotal decision most of you as business owners and aspiring business owners can make. File a proper tax return. It sucks. It blows to have to write a check to the IRS. It sucks to have to take a big hit in getting back some of your tax dollars. I understand it. But many of you are looking too short term. You're sacrificing tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in access to revenue, which can lead to hundreds of thousands or potentially over time millions of dollars in profits and income for you over 3 and 4 figures on tax returns. Just think about it. Just think about it. Getting 3 to 4 figures back on your taxes or not having to write a 3 to 4 figure check on taxes is costing you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in borrowing capacity for business lending as well as home ownership. If I can't give you any other warning going into next year and even the years to come, as this underwriting shift continues to take place and these banks look for alternative ways to bolster your profile and application when you apply, file a proper tax return. Stop writing everything off. Please stop writing everything off if you want a legitimate opportunity to get access to this new accessible underwriting that these banks are rolling out. To all my pioneers, welcome back. To my new viewers, welcome in. I want you to comment down below and let me know what your tax strategy is. Do you have one? Have you thought about this? Are you already on a bandwagon of managing how you file your taxes so you can show more income and get access to more capital? I want you to comment down below. Other than that, I want y'all to stay focused. Stay in motion. See y'all soon.
This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity Network, a channel dedicated to helping you increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, the proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your blueprint for prosperity.